EPALE, Europe's largest adult learning community. To experience the best of what the EPALE platform has to offer, always remember to log in. How to join a collaborative space. Need a private area on EPALE to discuss ideas? We've got you covered. First, click the Collaborate heading and select Collaborative Spaces. This brings you straight to the Collaborative Spaces page. Here you can search for a private group with similar interests or browse through groups on display. If you find one you like, click Request Membership. Type in a friendly message and click Request Group Membership. This will then be swiftly approved by the group administrator. Want your own collaborative space? No problem. Scroll down the Collaborative Spaces page to find a direct link. Here you will fill out your details in the corresponding boxes. Be sure to agree to our terms of service and send your request. Your details will then be approved by an EPALE moderator and have your collaborative space up and running in no time. EPALE, Europe's largest adult learning community.